Well, hello, this is a quick video to show you how to add an image from your computer onto your website. Because a lot of people are like, oh, I have this great image on my computer that I downloaded, but I don't have it, it's not on the internet, so how can I add it to my site? Let me show you how that's done really quickly. So let's just start with this. So if you want to add a photo from your computer, the first thing you should do is, we'll have an image ready. So I have an image, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. So if you see these three little buttons up here, let's say upload file. All right, I'm going to upload this file right here. All right, and you'll see it pops up right here. This is my image, cat.jpg. All right, the image file name is important because that's what you're going to use in a second. Now to add the image, I just say img sr. Well, actually, let's use a little cheat here. I can just say img. You see it fills it in for me. And the source of that image is whatever this file name is. So it's just cat.jpg. So if I run that now, there it is. All right, that's it. Just a quick 1-minute video of how to add an image from your computer.